Hey everyone, so today I'm showing you how to view your comment history on TikTok for Android. If you want to see all the comments you've made on videos, this is super easy to find. Let's get started. All right, first thing, open the TikTok app on your Android phone. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. This takes you to your profile page where you can see your videos and followers. Okay, tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of the screen. This opens your menu with various settings and options. Here's the thing. Tap on Settings and Privacy at the menu. This will open all your account settings. Now scroll down a bit until you find Content and Display section and tap on that Activity Center. You'll see different options for managing your activity on TikTok. Look for Comment and Watch History, or just Comment History, and tap on it. This option shows you your activity related to comments and videos you've watched. Tap on Comment History, and that's it. Now you'll see a complete list of all the comments you've made on TikTok videos. You can scroll through and see every comment, when you posted it, and which video it was on. If you want to delete any comments, just tap on a comment and you'll see an option to delete it. And that's it. Now you know how to view your entire comment history on TikTok. If this helped you out, let me know in the comments below.